In this video, I'm going to show you how to find IMEI on Samsung phone. So if you want to find your Samsung phone IMEI number, you can use three different methods to do this. The first method is to find the Samsung phone IMEI number on the package, that is the pack of the phone. You can open it and you should see the IMEI phone number in it at the back of it. The second place you can easily get your Samsung phone IMEI number is to dial *06#. Then you should see the IMEI number display. However, if you send this and it returns error just like this state, connection problem or invalid MMI codes, you can easily go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on About Phone. Then in the About Phone section, you should see your Samsung phone serial number and then the IMEI number for both slots. If you are using a dual SIM Samsung device, you can see I have the IMEI number for slot 1 and slot 2 and then the serial number. So you can just use this method to look out or set your Samsung phone IMEI serial number on your device without using any code. So you can use the short code *06# to check for your Samsung phone IMEI number, or check the IMEI number on the package of the phone, or go to the About Phone section on your Samsung Galaxy device to check out for the IMEI number. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.